Hello students, welcome to Software's classes. Today we will be solving the CSIR UGC NET exam questions from the June 2018 paper. We will be solving the set C of the Mathematical Sciences paper. Let's start off with question number 45. In question number 45, we have been said that we need to solve the Cauchy problem 2ux plus 3uy is equal to 5. It has been given that u is equal to 1 on the line 3x minus twice y is equal to 0. And then we have to find out the number of solutions. It has been given that this Cauchy problem has exactly one solution, option 2 exactly two solutions, option 3 infinitely many solutions, and option 4 no solution. So now we have been given the Cauchy problem that twice u of x plus 3u of y is equal to 5. So therefore by Lagrange's, so that implies by Lagrange's method, we get that dx by 2 is equal to dy by 3, and that is equal to du by 5. This is what we know. Now if we take the first two relationships, so that will give us that dx by 2 is equal to dy by 3, and upon integration we'll get that this is equal to thrice x minus of twice y is equal to c1, say. And now if we take the second two relationships, this will give us dy by 3 is equal to du by 5, and upon integration this will give us 5y minus thrice u is equal to c2, which is some constant. Okay, so this is what we are getting. Now so therefore the solution is given by c1 is equal to some function of c2, and that function is denoted by 5, so phi of c2. So now it has been also given that u equal to 0, u equal to 1 is on the line thrice x minus twice y is equal to 0. We'll use this relationship at some point. So now c1 is equal to 5 c2. Now what is c1? c1 is basically is equal to thrice x minus of twice y is equal to 5 into 5y minus thrice of u. Now it has been given that u equal to 1 is on the line thrice x minus twice y is equal to 0. So therefore we can write that thrice x minus twice y, which is equal to the function of 5y minus thrice u, is equal to 0. And if this is equal to 0, that implies that thrice x minus twice y is equal to 0, and that implies that, and this will imply us that there is no solution for the above partial differential equation. So this is what we are getting. So the correct option is, option 4. So today we have solved question number 45 from the CSIR UGC NET question from the June 2018 paper. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Software's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.